G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to be making a delicious bacon and cheese hamburger using an air fryer. It's really simple. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so here I've got some bacon and some high fat mince. I find the high fat one works a lot better. So I just roll it in a ball and then squish it out like that. As big as or bigger than the piece of bread or bun that you're going to be using, because it will shrink up as it cooks. But now I'll add some pepper. Actually, that was salt. And now I'm adding some pepper. Just onto the beef. Just for some seasoning. And now I come over to my air fryer, and then in here I'll put the bacon. Now you can leave the rind on the bacon. It actually cooks really well. And I'll slide in my meat patty there. And then in this goes. And I'm going to raise the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 395 or 400 Fahrenheit. I'll hit start and I'm just going to cook that for about 8 minutes. Now I'm going to have some tomato on my burger sandwich, so I'll just cut a few slices of that to put on. And it's going to be a simple sandwich burger today because I don't have any bread rolls. So I'll just give these a light toasting to make them a little bit crispy. Alright, well that 8 minutes is up. Check out how well the bacon's cooked. Even the rind is cooked really nicely. So I'll take that out, and here's my meat. It's cooked pretty well on one side, but when you turn it over it's, well, a little undercooked there. So you can put it back in and cook it for a bit longer, but mate, it is actually cooked all the way through. So what I'm going to do now is just put this piece of cheese on. Make sure you push it down so it sticks well, because sometimes the fan might blow it off, and if it blows it off, you're in a world of trouble. And I'll just cook that at 200 again for just a couple of minutes. Just want to make sure the cheese didn't get blown off. Oh, which it has, you see. But now it's stuck there. Hopefully it won't blow off again. You might want to add the cheese on after the meat's cooked. But here's my buns I'm using today. And, well, what would a burger be without some nice butter on your buns? You know, butter is really, really good for you. It can actually save your life. I mean, butter's a food, and, well, if you don't eat food, you'll die. So butter keeps you alive. Now, next, I'll put some mayonnaise and a nice bit of healthy lettuce there. And then on this top one, I've got some tomato relish. Do you like some tomato relish? So I'll put some of that on the top. Yummy. And now the cheese has melted beautifully on that hamburger patty. So I'll put that on there. I've got my beautiful bacon here. Delicious. Bit of tomato. I might put some Australian blood pickles on here. For some nice flavour. Now you can add some sauce. I wasn't going to, but probably should have added some a bit earlier on, but just a bit of barbecue on there. And now it's just a lid on top. Voila! A delicious cheese and bacon hamburger sandwich made in the air fryer. See how versatile an air fryer can be? I love mine. But let's try this. Oh. That's good. The meat is cooked all the way through. The bacon's slightly crispy. Mate, what more do you want? Oh, maybe you'll need a napkin to stop the juices running onto the floor. I hope this video helps you with your air fryer cooking. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food is finger